Let's take a look at how to make a refreshing cold brew with your Luxe Brewer. Start by using the larger flat-bottom filter basket. Add freshly ground coffee to the basket, about 100 grams, or roughly 12 scoops. That's about 3 times the amount you'd use for a hot brew, giving your cold brew that rich, full-bodied flavor. Fill the water tank to just below the cold brew line and ensure the cold brew option is displayed on screen. Remove the carafe lid. You'll also see this indicated on screen. This allows the coffee to steep freely and develop deeper, stronger flavors. Select Cold Brew. Now set your steep time. A longer steep will produce a bolder, more intense cold brew, while a shorter one gives a lighter, smoother taste. The Luxe Brewer will steep for your selected time, then automatically release the coffee when it's ready. Serve your cold brew over ice or add milk for a creamy finish. Enjoy your cold brew.